Hello, mommies. Save nature. Why I am saying this is, as a mother, we know what are all the like normal natural resources is very important to us, like land, water, air. These are all very important, right? We already started buying air in the way of AC or some or the other way like air freshener. We are utilizing air in many ways, even water also. We are doing many things with nature, right? So we have to save this nature and we have to give this nature safely to our next generation. If you see, if you got to see the movie Kalki, it impacted me very much, very badly. I couldn't think about the world without water, without fresh food. In that movie they are struggling for water and for fresh apple too. But now, see, we are living in a very good age where we get everything, and even if we order something, that will be get delivered within 10 minutes, right? Some apps are there, they will deliver it very fast. So, we are living in a very comfortable zone, comfortable way, where we get everything in our hands in a single tap, right? So, the same, this might be not the same for our future generation if we didn't save our nature for them, right? So, how we can? You can ask me, how Ramya, how can I save nature? You can ask me this question. So, how we can do that is like by considering water. Water, if you say water, use it wisely. Use it for your need only. Do not waste it when you brush or when you wash clothes. Do not simply waste it because you may think, okay, Ramya, I am saving some 1 liter today, 2 liters today, or 5 liters you are saving every single day for like you are utilizing for your purpose only and you are not wasting it, okay, not extra waters. If you can ask me, with that 5 liters only will come the change? No, you are doing your job for the nature. The same way every mother does, then consider you are saving some 2 liters per day. Consider for 1 month, consider for an year. The same way other mother also does. What happens? This will create big impact in our world, and for sure we will save water, nature for our next generations. Okay, the same way for electricity as well. Whenever needed, just use it. If it is not needed, just switch off it. The lights, the fans, these are all taught to us when we are very single, when we are very young age, right? So yeah, please do that. Save natural resources. Use it wisely, so that when you are taking action, the whole community will change. Like whole mothers community will change. When every mothers change, the city will change. The country will change. So it creates a big impact, right? So use natural resources wisely so that we can give that safely to our next generations. Thank you.